So class, do you have any questions so far? If none, you may continue answering our math drills number 3. Boys at the back, are you listening? Answer this equation on the board now. I'll be back, class. I'll just get a copy of your performance test at the faculty. Be quiet.
Did you guys listen during the discussion? Okay, then allow me to explain the lesson. To begin, our topic was all about
First, let's start with the additions of functions, and for this equation, we will use the operations f plus g of x or f of x plus g of x. Our f of x will be 2x squared plus 9x minus 4, and g of x will be 3x plus 10. First, we will be inputting the values of f of x and g of x, which will give us 2x squared plus 9x minus 4 plus 3x plus 10. Next, we will be grouping the numbers or terms with the same terms, which will give us 2x squared plus 9x plus 3x minus 4 plus 10. Finally, we will be combining those with the same terms in order to get our final answer, which will give us 2x squared plus 12x plus 6.
and that's how you add functions.
Alright, what about subtraction of factors?
I can help you with that.
Let of f of x squared equals 25x squared plus 7x minus 2. So the g of x is 9x squared plus 3x. So the formula is f minus g of x equals, rewrite it, 25x squared plus 7x minus 2, then parenthesis both, minus parenthesis 9x squared plus 3 parenthesis, then rewrite it, 25x squared minus 9x squared plus 7x, then minus 3x minus 2. So subtract it, 25x squared minus 9x squared equals 16x squared, then copy the addition sign, 7x minus 3x equals 4x, then copy the negative 2, so the f minus g of x equals 16x squared plus 4x minus 2.
And that's how you solve subtraction of function.
Thanks, I got it. Go for multiplication. Good work, Jerome. I got your back.
Multiplications of functions. The formula of multiplication of function is f times g of x. The given for this equation is f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 and the g of x is 2x minus 3. To get to the heart of the equation, we multiply f of x and g of x. It will come out with 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. Now, let's distribute the terms so you can see just how well these functions match. You will come up with this equation. 3x times 2x plus 3x times negative 3 plus negative 1 times 2x plus negative 1 times negative 3. After you solve the equation, the answer will be x squared minus 9x minus 2x plus 3. Each term from f of x finds a perfect match in g of x, and together they create something truly special. Combining like terms. Now, let's bring those like terms together because when like minds meet, magic happens. If you combine all of that, the answer will be 6x squared minus 11x plus 3. Here it is, final result of a beautifully simplified simplify the expression, and your answer will be f times g of x is equals to 6x squared minus 11x plus 3.
In YouTube, that's how you multiply functions. Last one, how about division of functions? That's easy. Let's do it like this.
So now let's move on to division of function. In our equation, we have f of x divided by g's of x. For f of x, we have 12x minus 4, and for g's of x, we have 3x minus 1. So let's write the equation on this board, f of x divided by g's of x. And now let's substitute the value. For f of x, we have 12x minus 4, and for g's of x, we have 3x minus 1. Next step, let's isolate or factor out 12 from 12x minus 4. So we have to do is copy 12, and then 12x divided by 12 is x, and negative 4 divided by 12 is negative 4 over 12, or negative 1/3. And now let's do the same thing here. Let's isolate 3 from 3x minus 1, and let's copy 3, and then 3x divided by 3 is x, and then negative 1 divided by 3 is negative 1/3. Now let's cancel this out, and we will have 12 over 3. So our answer in this equation is 4.